have some slides to show to you today to go over the COVID landscape in Shelby County. First slide, please. Total COVID-19 cases reported today, 143,271. New cases reported today, 122. That is down from 294 this time last week and 350 2 weeks ago. The 7-day average of cases per day is 143. The 7-day average has also continued a downward trend, down from 237 this time last week and 302 2 weeks ago. We continue to see a downward trend in active cases in every age group. We continue to watch pediatric cases closely. Today, we report 553 active pediatric cases, down from 823 last week and 1,140 2 weeks ago. Pediatric cases now comprise 28.9% of all active cases, down from 29.9% this time last week and 31.4% 2 weeks ago. Next slide. The 7-day average test positivity rate is now 5.8%, down from 6.9% this time last week and 8.5% 2 weeks ago. Next slide. The effective reproductive number, or RT, of the virus is now 0.75. It has continued a downward trend that began in September and coincided with the mask mandate in indoor public spaces. Next slide. The hospitalization data also shows the same downward trend we have seen in active cases, and that's excellent news. Today, 317 COVID-19 positive persons are in the regional hospitals. That is down from 317 this time last week and 370 2 weeks ago, and active cases continue to decline in all age ranges, as you can see. Next slide. This is the map that I've shown before of active COVID cases in the county by zip code. Please note that the darker areas mean that there are more active cases in those zip codes. Next slide. And this is a similar map showing the pediatric active cases across the county, with the darker colors representing those zip codes that have more active pediatric cases. Next slide. And this is a new slide today. It illustrates what percentage of vaccinations given each day are first, second, and third doses. You see a spike in third doses in late September, early October, then a leveling off. We would like to see an increase in the rate of first doses, and we know that we have a lot more work to do. Next slide. Regarding vaccinations, currently 52.9% of the eligible population age 12 and up has received at least one dose of vaccine, and overall, on the total population, 44.6% have been fully vaccinated, meaning that they have received either 2 Pfizer vaccines, 2 Moderna vaccines, or 1 J&J vaccine. That's the end of the slides.